So we've been an investor for a long time, so I obviously believe. And initially, when we invested, it was making me crazy when I was seeing some of the things that he was doing. As much as I admired him, but I do think that, and I calm myself down and I said, I really deserve to make a lot of money by investing in this and by staying with it. And we deserve this one billionaire investor stands at the crossroads of electrifying revelation, whose name is synonymous with financial wisdom and vision, has recently unveiled the SEC so profound, so groundbreaking that it has left people in awe. But what is this cryptic revelation that the world is unaware of? What hidden treasure lies within the confines of Tesla, a company that continues to capture the collective imagination of investors and enthusiasts alike? Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey into the heart of Tesla's future. We will decode the enigmatic insights shared by Ron Barron, shedding light on the untold story that has the potential to reshape the very fabric of the automotive industry. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News, because what we're about to uncover will leave you astonished and inspired. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together. The Tesla. The renowned investor and enthusiast Ron Barron sent out a significant warning to all Tesla investors. Every Tesla investor should pay attention to this shocking prediction made by Barron, the financial whiz who accumulated significant wealth through investments in both Tesla and SpaceX. Barron recalled how he entered the investment landscape, mentioning his foray into companies like Microsoft and Exxon, but he also highlighted the distinctiveness of Tesla's software and data capabilities, pointing to an impending innovation. For an annual cost of $2,000 to $3,000 per vehicle, Tesla is about to launch a groundbreaking technology that enables cars to function independently. Barron emphasized the importance of this development and implied that many people still do not fully understand its ramifications. He declared with the assurance that the worth of this independent commercial endeavor alone will soar to $1 trillion. In just 3 to 4 years, Mark projected that Tesla would produce an astounding 20 million cars a year, with an additional 30 million vehicles incorporating Tesla's technology, and generate $180 billion in sales yearly. Barron related a fascinating story about Mary Barra, the CEO of another automotive giant, who asked him for help getting in touch with Elon Musk. According to Tesla's CEO, this exchange between Barra and Musk demonstrated the industry's potential for cooperation and partnerships. Barron emphasized Tesla's approach of cultivating partnerships that benefit both parties rather than eradicating rivals. It is evident that Tesla differs from traditional automakers in that its stock has surpassed expectations and defied skeptics. If this trend continues, Tesla hopes to provide other automakers with vital components similar to those found in Intel computers, thereby becoming the engine inside their vehicles. The opinion that may ascend to the pinnacle of the trillion-dollar club is one that both speculators and seasoned investor Ron Barron agree with. Barron's strong belief in Tesla's potential leads us to investigate why. In addition to his ongoing fascination with SpaceX and its ambitious plan to colonize Mars, he believes Tesla will become the biggest and most profitable company in the world by 2030. What precisely does Barron's perspective entail, given that Tesla is unquestionably synonymous with electric vehicles? Barron would rather see it as a technological powerhouse that provides its automotive division and outside customers with unmatched services. According to this viewpoint, Tesla is a trailblazer in the sector, poised to provide services and technologies that greatly outperform those of any rival. Despite having state-of-the-art data and technology, which distinguishes it as a technological powerhouse, Tesla is able to produce electric cars at a cost that is much lower than that of traditional automakers like Ford. Each Tesla vehicle loses $36,000, which is in sharp contrast to their current profitability of between $8,000 and $99,000 per car. This change from a previous $115,000 profit per vehicle highlights Tesla's strong efforts to cut expenses and streamline operations. Further insight is provided by the mention of Tesla's calculated $7 billion investment in a new production plant, which is expected to double the capital in less than a year with an outstanding $15 billion yearly return. This performance is far higher than the 15% to 20% typical industrial profit margins. Highlighting Tesla's exceptional financial prowess and efficiency, the company's strategy places a strong emphasis on its constant dedication to cutting costs and boosting competitiveness. The history of the automobile industry is also given, showing how it changed from the early 1900s, when automakers were known for their inventiveness, to the 1950s, when profitability took precedence. This change resulted in the outsourcing of supply chains, which caused many automakers to go bankrupt. However, Tesla's strategy is very different since it places a higher priority on innovation and cost effectiveness. Paving a unique route in the industry, one of Tesla's outstanding advantages is its fleet of electric vehicles, which together accumulate an astounding 30 to 40 million miles per day. With 3 million vehicles actively gathering data, this enormous data stream adds up to an astounding 100 million miles of data per day. In addition, Tesla is on track to reach a major milestone in just 18 months, claiming to have more processing power than any other organization in the world. TLA already demonstrates the characteristics of a possible trillion-dollar stock. The only question now is if it can regain its position as one of the market's elite. Come along as we examine the elements influencing Tesla's future in further detail and discover why it continues to be an alluring option. Prospects for long-term investors. Barron Capital was founded by billionaire investor Ron Barron, who is well known for his acumen. This well-known mutual fund business has continuously been rated as one of Tesla's most important and loyal shareholders. When the stock was only about $140 per share in 2014, Barron first became involved with Tesla. Since then, his wise investment has increased in value by more than 25 times, giving him an incredible return of more than $6 billion. Beyond his financial support, Barron's passion for Tesla goes beyond its innovative goods. In his view, Elon Musk is a transformative force leading the way. New developments in solar energy, electric car batteries, and space exploration. Barron has a crystal clear vision and unflinching faith in his investing decisions, which are characteristics of an experienced long-term visionary. Barron ignores the clamor of market discourse in favor of concentrating on specific facts and observable trends. He embraces both chances and problems with courage, taking risks and frequently defying accepted trends. With his bold expectations for the company's sustained expansion and supremacy in the automotive sector over the next 10 years, Ron Barron exudes confidence in Tesla's prospects. By 2030, Tesla is expected to produce an astounding 20 million cars, a significant increase over its 2020 production of about 500,000 vehicles. Remarkably, Ron Barron predicts that Tesla will reach the pinnacle of corporate success and become the biggest and most lucrative business in the world by 2030, with a potential stock price of $1,500 per share by then. However, Tesla's current valuation may not quite reach the trillion-dollar mark. Mark's growth trajectory is still strong, and analysts predict that earnings per share will grow by about 28% annually in the upcoming years. This growth will mostly be driven by strong fundamentals and rising demand for electric vehicles, with EV adoption anticipated to become the new industry standard. Superchargers and fully autonomous driving technology are just two of the things that will propel Tesla's revenue growth. There are just 5 businesses involved in the Cybertruck, semi-truck, and robotaxi program, including Apple. Amazon and Nvidia, 2 companies in the Microsoft alphabet, have seen impressive increases in their market capitalization this year and are members of the elusive trillion-dollar club. Tesla used to be considered one of these elite companies, but earlier this year it saw a sharp decline in value due to economic volatility and increased competition in the EV industry. Nevertheless, despite the obvious obstacles ahead, there is still a strong belief that Tesla can achieve the trillion-dollar milestone in 2021, becoming the 6th company in U.S. history to reach a $1 trillion market capitalization, ranking 5th among S&P 500 companies. There are a number of reasons that could increase Tesla's valuation. It is impossible to overestimate Tesla's pioneering role in the electric vehicle sector. By launching the prototype Roadster, a revolutionary electric sports car with remarkable battery range, speed, and acceleration, it caused a profound change in the public's perspective of EVs. This car was a potent catalyst that dispelled skepticism regarding the viability and appeal of electric propulsion. Later, Tesla increased its influence by providing a wide range of EVs models at reasonable prices, including the Model 3 and Model Y. In addition to changing the automotive landscape, Tesla successfully democratized electric mobility by dispelling the myth that EVs were niche or unaffordable. This shift compelled traditional automakers to quickly realign their strategies in order to compete in the electrified future that Tesla envisioned. With its wide network of fast charging stations, Tesla's strategic deployment of a supercharger network has the potential to significantly transform the EV sector. Range anxiety is one of the biggest worries among prospective EV purchasers, and Tesla has solved it. This network, which is well situated in cities and along highways, not only makes long-distance travel feasible, but also makes daily charging for Tesla owners easier. Notably, Tesla's recent decision to allow other EV brands to use its fast charging infrastructure highlights a cooperative strategy that may increase the industry's adoption of EVs. This audacious move places Tesla in a position to play a significant role in promoting EV adoption on a larger scale, possibly drawing more customers to the Tesla ecosystem and brand. As AI grows more and more integrated into many industries, Tesla's forays into the field fit in perfectly with the growing AI market and offer a compelling avenue for value generation. Tesla's efforts in AI, notable important people like Ron Barron and Cathie Wood have acknowledged Tesla's extraordinary potential as a powerhouse in artificial intelligence. With a wealth of data produced by its fleet of vehicles, Tesla's investment in AI is demonstrated by the development of fully autonomous and advanced driver assistance systems, which not only improve vehicle safety and autonomy, but also open the door for AI-driven advancements in transportation. Tesla has the ability to completely change not just the automobile industry, but also AI applications in general, ranging from data analytics to robotics. The Tesla network in the technology sector.